if you need a great multi-use cooking pan, I'd get this Creuset Sauteuse or sauce. Not entirely sure how you say it. Learn more why as we make our sauce for our meatballs that are currently cooking in our toaster oven. One thing I like about this is how even the heat is, and then also how easy it is to clean. The nice part is that we use this pan for so many different functions because it is enameled cast iron. It can go both on the stove and in the oven, and it has a lid, so comes with a normal size lid. But the best part is then we can let things simmer either in the oven or on the stove, as well as be able to make bread in it. This is a 3.5 quart sauté sauce, is maybe how you pronounce it. And as you can see, it's a perfect size for your smaller cooked meals. We also have a larger Dutch oven, Le Creuset, that we use for more of the soups. This is kind of on the smaller side, but when we make tacos and we make vegetables to go in our tacos, we cook these. And then if we make any sort of item that needs to be cooked on the stove and then go straight into the oven, these are perfect because of the fact that it can just go straight in. You don't have to transfer any items. Now the handles do get hot. So we have hot pads that we bought that are also Le Creuset that will slip right on, and it helps prevent us from burning our hands, and it makes it easier to take them in and out of the oven, especially when I'm making bread. If I'm making a smaller loaf, they can go on here. What else do you love about it, Sean?
Well, I just like she mentioned it before, the evenly heat distribution. It can get a nice crust on it, like on any meat. So I do like cooking some chicken in there that we dice up, or some steak that's diced up, depending on what I'm making, if I'm doing like tacos.
And then it also stays hot after.
Stays hot. I mean, you do have to be very careful with it. It's not non-stick. So if you are cooking any meat in there or searing any meat, you need to make sure that you do add a little bit of oil into it. Make sure it's not too hot, because it does get hot very quickly.
And it can go into the oven upwards of temperatures of 400 degrees. 450 actually is what maybe even higher. I've always baked my bread at 450. So this can sustain very hot temperatures and also get very hot. Are you looking it up?
Yeah, 550.
550. That's much higher than I expected. Now, the other thing is sometimes you do have to let it soak when you're cleaning if things have stuck to the bottom. But after a few times cleaning it, it should be able to come clean. We've never had an issue. We just have to be patient with our cleaning.
And one thing we do get directly from Le Creuset as well is we get this enameled cast iron cookware cleaner and protector that will clean both the inside and the outside. It's got some type of material in or something within the cleaner itself that's almost like a little brush. So when you scrub it, it gets everything that's stuck to it off pretty easily. So we do
it's
like
this
magic.
Well. Although we don't use it on any other pots or pans for cleaning. We only use it for our Le Creuset.
No, it's specifically for enameled cast iron.
We love this, and we also love the size. So when we make a big meal for friends and family coming over, we'll use this pot as some of our side dishes that we are making.
One other thing to keep in mind on the lid itself, this is not the standard knob that comes with it. This is one that we bought as an upgrade. It's just our personal, preference on it. The one that does come with it, it still can go in the oven. It's just like a cast iron knob that comes with it, but we wanted something that
We
looked
like
a
the
little bit
look.
better.
And that matches our other Le Creuset because we got the same color because we wanted them to be matching. Overall, we highly recommend you get this.